Welcome to Agile Highlanders. If you are launching a new product or scaling a venture, the hardest part is often getting the big ideas out of your head and into a format your team can actually build. Walk into almost any early-stage startup, and you will likely see a scene like this. A founder staring at a wall of sticky notes, trying to organize dozens of competing priorities. There is a constant tension here. The founder wants to see progress on the big picture, like a new digital loan platform, but the developers are stuck because they don't know what specific step to take this morning. Great businesses are built using a structured master list of work, often called a product backlog. This list turns a massive vision into a sequence of small, trackable tasks that provide value to the customer. When you learn how to break work down this way, you can see exactly how your team is progressing and avoid spending your limited resources on the wrong features. To clear the chaos from the whiteboard, we organize our master list into a simple 4-tier system. It works like a map, connecting your highest goals to your daily tasks. This diagram shows the top level, the epic. This is your major business objective. In our case, the epic is to enable an end-to-end digital loan application. Because an epic is too large to finish in one go, we divide it into features. These are the specific capabilities of your product, like a document upload system. We then look at those features from the customer's perspective. We break them into user stories. This ensures we are solving a real problem for a real person. A clear user story sounds like this. As a small business owner, I want to upload my official business license from my phone so I don't have to visit a bank branch in person. Finally, the developers take that story and break it into technical tasks. These are the implementation steps, like designing the upload button or writing the code that stores the document. This system creates a visible path from a single line of code all the way up to a strategic business goal. The user story is the most important unit of work for your team. If a story is vague or confusing, it will stall your developers and waste time. We protect the team's time by using a checklist called INVEST. Every story must pass these 6 points before any work begins. I stands for independent. It means the team can build this story right now without being blocked by other unfinished work. N is for negotiable. The story is an invitation for the team to discuss and find the most efficient way to build the solution. V means valuable. The story must provide a clear benefit to the user or the business. E and S are for estimable and small. The team needs to understand the effort involved, and the work must be small enough to finish in just a few days. Finally, T is for testable. You need a clear way to verify that the feature works exactly as expected. By using the INVEST checklist, you ensure your team only spends their energy on ideas that are fully ready to be built. Once the work is built, there is one final check before we mark it as complete: the definition of done. The definition of done is a shared quality standard. It means the feature is fully tested, secure, and meets all the technical requirements to be released to a real customer. Instead of a messy whiteboard, you now have a clean digital progress board. You watch as user stories move smoothly across the columns, seeing exactly how much work is in progress and what has been finished. As a founder, this board gives you total transparency. You can see the health of your product at a glance without needing to understand the technical details of the code. Because every card is part of that larger hierarchy, seeing a story move to done means you are one step closer to an outcome like faster loan approvals for your customers. This structured master list is the bridge between your long-term dream and your team's predictable daily execution. Keep building, keep iterating, and we will see you in the next video.